Good morning guys, our videos is about kangkong or water spinach. Kangkong is a rich source of various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant. At alam nyo bang ang nutrients ng kangkong is almost equal to milk, banana, and orange? It can reduce blood pressure, gives immunity to cancer, improves our vision, and boosts immunity. Mayroon din itong potassium at iron. At kapag constipated ka, malaking tulong ang pagkain ng kangkong. At mayroon din itong anti-aging properties. Kangkong can reduce wrinkles significantly and can even speed up the healing process and the formation of scar tissue. Ang regular na pagkain ng kangkong can help improve circulation, reduce inflammation, control blood sugar levels, and improve bone health, and prevent osteoporosis, iron deficiency, anemia, colon, and prostate cancer. At pinaniniwalaang ding nagpuprotekta ito laban sa cardiovascular diseases. Thank you so much guys for watching. God bless us all always.